because I need for us to understand how absolutely ridiculous that is. That is somebody who knows the difference between intent and impact, but cannot in the moment stop herself from trying to vindicate herself, letting everybody know that she didn't mean it. And again, meanwhile, I have suffered tremendous harm. Here are a few important points. Causing unintended harm does not exonerate you as the cause of harm. Unintentional harm is still harm. An unintentional offender is still the offender. All right, so let's kind of bring this into the real world for just a moment. If you step on my foot by accident, guess what? You stepped on my foot and I feel it. Are you going to deliver a soliloquy to me? No, you're going to say, please excuse me. To insist on defending yourself or explaining your intentions does not erase harm. And to persist means you are still vested in proving that you are a good person. I'm not racist. I'm a good person. That was when you were a baby ally and trying to convince us. We now need for you to grow up and give your energy someplace where it's needed. Enough with that already, trying to prove yourself. Going down that road is hijacking the harm and making it about you.